Hello everyone and welcome to Lot of Tech once again. So this is the Haki Action True Wireless Sports Earbuds from a company called Haki, and this package was recently sent out to me for a review. At the back of the box you will find some information and key highlights about these TWS, and you can already figure out from the box packaging that it is really a very premium package. So you can slide out these TWS from the box somewhat like this, and when you will open the box you will first of all find the TWS on the top. Then what you will get inside is a user manual. I highly recommend to go through the manual at least once so that you understand all the features. Then what you will get inside is a Type-C charging cable and also few extra pair of ear tips in blue and white color. Then at the last you will also find a Haki branded carry pouch. So these are pretty much very standard box contents. When you will hold the case first time in your hand, the first thing that will come to your mind is that the case is of a very good quality and the plastic that has been used is very premium. And you will get a small reset button at the bottom to reset the TWS. You will find a Type-C port for charging so that you can use all your regular cables, and the case is of a slightly bigger in size because it's not a in-ear type TWS, it's a full size sports earbud. So when you will open the case, you will first of all find this full-sized sports TWS resting inside. I really like the implementation of LED here because first of all it's very small. Generally in cases you will find 4 LEDs to indicate the battery percentage, but here everything is very neat, clean and very minimal. If I talk about the magnets, so the magnets are pretty much very strong, and even though if you open the case and invert it, your TWS are not going to fall down from the case. Apart from that, the entire package may look slightly bigger in size, but still the TWS and the case are very light in weight. As soon as you take out the earbuds from the case, it will enter the pairing process. I really like the implementation of this LED which is inbuilt. So first of all, it does not emit a lot of light, and also the color of the LED is white instead of blue because blue is really very distracting, especially when you are trying to pair the earbuds with your phone at night. Apart from that, the earbuds is a combination of shiny plastic combined with matte finish. Now matte finish actually has some kind of rubber coating so that it overall gives you a better grip. Apart from that, you get the Haki branding on both the TWS on the front. So shiny surface gives a better style and matte finish gives a better grip. If you will have a closer look at these earbuds, so first of all, each earbud has been provided with 2 microphones. So you total get 4 microphones with the earbuds, and these earbuds also come with a CVC 8.0 noise reduction technology so that it cuts a lot of noise in the background and the person on the other side is able to hear your voice clearly. Now by default, the ear tips that came attached with the TWS did not fit my size, so I highly recommend, and I also keep on telling in my videos that just in case the ear tips are not of a proper size, you're not going to get a good bass. So the first thing that I did was to replace the ear tips so that I get a good bass and also a better fit with these TWS. Now after the design and build quality, the next thing that comes is the connectivity. So first of all, turn the Bluetooth on in your phone, then open the case, take out the earbuds, and your earbuds are going to connect seamlessly with your phone. I didn't have to face any sort of issues when it came to connectivity. Now when it came to features, so first of all you can single tap any of the 2 earbuds to play and pause a song. You can triple tap the right one to go to the next track. You can triple tap the left one to come back to the previous track. Then in order to lower the volume, just press and hold the right one, and in order to increase the volume, just press and hold the left one. I really like the implementation of volume slider because you don't have to tap continuously any of the 2 earbuds. Then if you want to launch your voice assistant, then you have to double tap the left one. You can already see that I haven't configured it yet, and in order to enter the gaming mode, you have to double tap the right one. If I talk about the battery life, so they have given you 9 hours of battery life on each earbud, and you can charge these earbuds 3 times in the case, so it totals to around 36 hours of battery life, which is quite insane. And it's also quite obvious because if you're playing some kind of sports, you may not be having any sort of charging facility on the ground, so you just don't have to worry anything about charging. Coming back to the case once again, if I talk about this single LED, so it lights up in different colors indicating different levels of battery and different kind of other features. So first of all, if you are plugging in your charging cable, this LED is going to light up in orange color, slightly less orange color. When you have opened the case, the LED turns in white irrespective of its charging or not. So white indicates that it has entered the pairing mode, and then when the battery on the case is too low, it's going to light up in red, and when it's full, it's going to light up in green. So these are the 4 different colors that I observed during my charging and testing. Now apart from all these features, these earbuds also come with IPX7 water resistance, so they can easily handle minor splashes of water and rain. Apart from that, these earbuds also have Bluetooth 5.2 instead of Bluetooth 5.0, which offers you a better connectivity and range. So let's say that you are playing sports like table tennis or badminton, where your case along with your phone is kept in your bag and you're away from it, so these are still going to offer you a very good range and connectivity in terms of distance. So now coming on to the most important part, which is the audio quality. So first of all, these TWS have 10mm drivers and they support codecs like aptX and AAC, which is quite standard at this particular price point. Talking about the sound in general, so first of all, the box of these TWS says that they have stunning deep bass, and during my testing also I felt that if you are able to get a very good fit with the ear tips provided in the box, so the bass is kind of a you can say feature which is, or you can say the frequency spectrum that is being amplified a little, so you can say that these are bass oriented TWS. Apart from that, if I talk about overall sound in general, so they don't produce one of the most detailed sound in the world, but overall the sound coming out of these is very much decent and very much balanced. So the bass frequencies are a little bit amplified while the vocals are very clear, so you can easily use these for watching movies, and also the high frequencies are also very clear. If I talk about the loudness, so these are loud enough. You cannot say that these the volume on these is low, so these are very much loud enough, but not as loud as compared to the KZ Edison Pro or the in-ear monitor. So very much decent earbuds for the price and for the audio quality they offer. So if you go to the Haki's website, you can go in the earbud section, and here you will find different kind of products that the company has to offer, and you can also check out their speaker section as well. So if you go into the Haki Action earbud, so you will find all the features which I mentioned in the video. And what I did forgot to mention is that 10 minutes of charge on these earbuds is going to provide you with 2 hours of music playback time. And also these earbuds supports wireless charging. Now I don't have wireless charger with me, but you can check out some more videos and you will find that these earbuds also support wireless charging. So overall, in terms of features and package, I would say it's a kind of a very complete package. Good sound and all the features that you can think of are provided in this, and these earbuds are priced at around $99, and for this I can say that it's really a very good package. So at last I would like to conclude that the key selling point of these TWS is not just the audio or the sound quality, it's the features combined with audio. So features like Bluetooth 5.2, very good amount of battery life, CVC 8.0, and secure fit. So all these features combined with the audio, good audio, makes these TWS as like one of the most you can say loved TWS when it comes to sports oriented people. So if you are someone who is into sports a lot, definitely you can consider this particular option. So thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. So I'm looking for a miracle, like somebody